Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you this AI platform that I recently found out 2 days back. This is called as Pi AI, pi.ai. It's a unlimited platform where you can actually have unlimited messages. There is no restrictions. As you simply see right here, I simply asked it that if this is a website free and unlimited. So yes, Pi is completely free to use with no usage limits. You can chat as much as you like and they will not charge for it. So there's also available, they have their own mobile website, web website as well. So now to get started, if you don't know about this website, it's really simple. If you simply go to Google, simply type Pi AI and this chatbot will come. It's similar to Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Qwen. It's kind of a chatbot. This is their website, Pi AI, but it's completely unlimited and free. It's similarly developed for developers out there. You can build out unlimited applications, chat. You simply click on try Pi, and once you click the button, you need to log in with your Google account. I have already logged in it. So once you log in, uh, as you see, we actually are using their free account here. We are already logged in. So right here, you can ask any sort of question right here. So top 10 frameworks in Node.js in 2026. So you simply ask the question and instantly the AI chatbot will reply to you. You can simply say build a complete image to PDF web app. So it can answer coding questions as well. You simply answer the set of questions and then it will now generate this coding related application for you. So it's only can chat. So you can ask any kind of question here, which will simply say capital. So there is no restriction. So it's a really good AI chatbot. Simply go to this and you can directly chat with this. So there is no restriction. You can ask the actual any history related questions, geological related questions. So it will answer all those questions for you. So you can see that we are asking unlimited questions. There is no restrictions to it. So you can even do that. You can see that. So this is the website guys by AI. They also have voice mode as well. You can activate that.
Node.js is the most popular for building APIs and web apps. Next.js is great for server-rendered React apps. Nest.js offers an Angular-like structure with TypeScript. Fastify is a fast alternative to Express, and Socket.io excels for real-time communication.
So it will also just read out all the answers for you. You can ask any sort of question right here.
As of now, Kane Williamson is the captain of New Zealand in Test cricket, while Mitchell Santner-Quam leads the team in white ball formats, ODIs and T20Is. Leadership can vary based on format and player availability, so it's always good to check
So
the
in
latest
short,
updates from official NZC sources.
you can select with various voices here.
As of now, Kane Williams.
You can,
As of now.
As of now.
As of now. As of now, Kane Williamson Poichoi is the captain of New Zealand in Test cricket, while Mitchell Santner-Quam leads the team in white ball formats, ODIs and T20Is. Leadership.
so it's a really good platform, Pi.ai, very good website. Definitely check this out. Simply log in with your Google account and get started. It's completely unlimited. There is no restrictions to it. Uh, you can have only text messages only. There is no way to create images or videos, but it's very good platform for answering or asking questions, only text related questions. So you can see that. So definitely try out this platform.